You may have heard stories about bodies being entombed in the dam. There's no truth to that. And you can tell that by looking at the face of the dam. It's made up of block sections. Those blocks are only 5 feet tall. When you brought down 8 cubic yards of concrete in a standard sized bucket, it added 5 inches per bucket load. You can't cover people up 5 inches at a time. We've tried. They keep getting back up. So there's no truth to that rumor, but we will be inside the dam. Let me show you where. Now everyone upstairs looking down right now can see my hand outside and it's freaking them out. So it's pretty cool.